Hey guys, welcome back. Today's episode is really stylish topic. Yes, I show you how to perform a rail grab with the help of a surf skate. So yeah, she's watching as well. Hit the intro and enjoy. Really quick explanation, like you see in our book, a rail grab is really necessary for you in your repertoire, especially if you have steep waves or if you want to combine a few maneuvers with the style of a rail grab. A rail grab allows you to have a really low center point on the board and a lot of control of your board because you can grab the rail. It looks stylish as well on a surf trainer, so I will show you the really important key parts to understand what you have to do for a rail grab. So enjoy, I show it right away how it will be performed.
So first of all, because the knee will be important, protect your knees if you never did it before. It's a recommendation, you don't have to do it. If your stance is regular, you will grab with your right hand. So left and front means you are a regular stance, you grab with the right hand. Now really important is how to lower yourself to the surf skate is, here important, put the back knee on the board, on the side on the board. Yeah, that's really important. So have a look. I grab the rail, put the knee on the board. You can even put the knee slightly outside the rail. Here once again. And grab the rail and lean to the left. This is a proper rail grab. What a common mistake is that a lot of people are just squatting down, like you can see now, and then grab the rail. Yeah, it is kind of possible, but you cannot turn your hip to the left, so which makes it super hard. And let's have a look how it looks like. Yeah, to be honest, it doesn't look that stylish. You agree? Leave a comment below. So you can grab the rail, it's kind of working, but it's not that stylish and has no function in the water. Everything I showed you is possible also to the other side. The same, you go down with your knee, you stay really low center, but now you grab with the left hand if you're regular. And now lean to the right. What will happen? Yes, you will turn stylish also to the right. Let's have a look. First is going down, grab the rail, we also call it a backhand rail grab, and lean to the right. If you do that, you can do a rail grab.
I hope that was helpful. If you not already did, get your own surf companions because we show it nice and illustrated in our surf book as well. I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy practicing the rail grab as well as our other videos. If you not already did, follow us because I will release more tutorials in the future. Our mission is all about to improve your surfing. So enjoy, hit the comment below, and hope to see you next time. Daniel from the Surf Companions.